Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on ROG Phone 8. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, move to Advanced, and inside you should be able to find gestures. Now there's this entire tab dedicated to the screen gestures, and let's try using them. First, we're gonna go for the main gestures. There's a lift to check phone. If you lock your phone, you can pick it up in a grip and it should wake up the screen without touching any buttons. Next is flip down to mute. Turn the device face down to mute incoming calls. That means you can put your phone upside down. That means a screen to the table and it will mute incoming calls. Then there's touch gesture, screen off, double tap to suspend, and screen on, double tap to wake up. If we lock our device, we can double tap to unlock it, wake it up, and double tap again to lock it down. There was also swipe up to wake up. We can lock our device, swipe up, and it should also wake up the screen. Next is music control. You can activate it and then control multimedia using gestures on locked screen. That means you can draw pause button to either play or pause music, draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track. And there's also different gestures that you can draw to perform different actions on your phone. For example, we can go for the W, and all of them work the same way. You just pick a different function and draw different shape. So let's go for W, and here we want to open a calculator with that gesture. Let's lock our phone, draw W, and it will launch the calculator. Now we can go back from the gestures, and there's the rest of them right here. Quick launch camera by pressing power key twice, and it should work from any screen. Then there's screen off shortcut, quick shot. We can click on it. Then there's when the screen is off, double press the volume down button to quickly perform a function, and you can pick a different action for it, whichever one you like. It works like this. We can lock our phone, double press volume down button, and in this example, it opens a camera and takes a burst photo. Next is one-handed mode. When activated, your phone should be much more accessible while using it with one hand. That means you'll be able to access notification bar from the middle of your phone. And the next one is a back tap. There's double tap and triple tap, and both of them may have different functions if you assign them. So currently there's a screenshot on double tap and open camera on triple tap. If we pick up our phone and tap on the back right here, it should perform one of them. So first let's try double tap. Works fine. And triple tap. Also works fine. Next will be air triggers. And here, when activated, we can also enter them to assign different functions for short squeeze and long squeeze. There's also squeeze force level, and I needed to put it on 1 to actually perform any of them. So if you have that problem that they don't work, make sure to change squeeze force level to 1. And now we can click on one of the options and change the function. For example, there's Google Assistant on the first one, and X mode on long squeeze. And to actually use them, there's 2 air triggers, one right here and another one right here. We can hold our phone like this and basically squeeze them, and they should launch certain actions. Okay, next is open floating windows via heads up. And that means if you receive any notification, and it will be visible right here for a short moment, you can swipe it down and it will open up a location that was triggered by that notification. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.